Things are different for everyone now. Where we used to meet hundreds of people in person, we now see thousands online. And to do that correctly, we had to adapt. We looked at ways to take our virtual presence up by a notch, or 10. We're not your average corporate training and consultancy company. To do virtual properly, we've become somewhat of a TV station, and we put on a show.
5, 4, 3.
It took us a while to build our studios, and really, we turned to the pros in the business. Not your media companies, but the top YouTubers and gamers out there who already knew that there's more to video conferencing than black boxes and sharing screen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome to our workshop. We shouldn't be comparing in-person training to virtual training. Our clients understand that both have a place, and we want to make sure we continue to be cutting edge in everything we do. You see, staying relevant is no longer an option. It's a survival tactic, and for us, this is just the beginning.